Hey everyone! It's Jessica here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into something super important, something that literally shapes every part of your life, your health. And no, I don't just mean eating salads or going to the gym 5 times a week. I'm talking about real health, the kind that makes you wake up energized, stay positive, and feel good about yourself inside and out. You see, in today's fast-paced world, we're all running, chasing work, deadlines, goals, but somewhere in between, we forget to pause and check in with the one thing that keeps all of that possible, our body and mind. We treat our phones better than we treat ourselves sometimes, always charging them, updating them, and taking care of them. But when was the last time you gave yourself that same attention? Health isn't just about looking fit, it's about feeling balanced. It's your physical energy, your emotional stability, your mental peace. It's everything working together like a team. And if one part breaks down, say you're stressed all the time, or you're not sleeping right, everything else starts to fall apart too. In this video, I'm going to take you through a full, honest look at how to build real health from the ground up, from your habits to your mindset, your sleep, your food, and even how you talk to yourself. So grab a cup of green tea, get comfortable, and let's start this journey together. So, let's start where real health actually begins, inside your mind. Most people think being healthy means eating clean or going to the gym, but here's the truth. If your mind isn't in a good place, nothing else will stick. Think about it, you can have the best diet plan, but if you're constantly stressed or comparing yourself to others, your body literally reacts. Stress increases hormones like cortisol, which can mess with your sleep, your digestion, and even your motivation. That's why mental health isn't a bonus part of wellness, it's the foundation. One of my favorite habits is taking 10 quiet minutes in the morning, no phone, no music, just breathing. It's like giving your brain a soft reset before the chaos begins. You don't need to meditate like a monk, you just need a moment to be present. Try journaling, gratitude lists, or even a short walk outside. Your thoughts create your energy, and your energy creates your life. When you start treating your mind kindly, you naturally make better choices for your body. You'll crave healthier foods, you'll move more, and you'll stop punishing yourself for being human. Remember, mental health isn't about being happy all the time, it's about building tools to handle life when it isn't perfect. So if you take anything from this part, let it be this. Your health journey starts with the way you talk to yourself every single day. Alright, let's talk about something most people totally underestimate, sleep. Yup, the simple act of resting can literally transform your health. You can't out-exercise or out-diet bad sleep. When you sleep, your brain organizes memories, your muscles rebuild, and your immune system recharges. It's your body's nightly repair shop. But here's what we do instead. We scroll, binge watch, or keep working until our eyes burn. Then we wake up groggy and reach for caffeine to survive the day. Sound familiar? The truth is that routine slowly destroys your focus, mood, and metabolism. So if you've been feeling off lately, maybe anxious, lazy, or unmotivated, check your sleep first. Try creating a mini bedtime ritual. Dim the lights an hour before bed, keep your phone away, and play some calm music or read something light. Your brain loves consistency, so going to bed and waking up at the same time every day is like giving it a rhythm. Quality sleep isn't lazy, it's productivity's secret weapon. Once you fix your sleep, you'll notice your skin glowing, your mood lifting, and your energy soaring. Trust me, sleep is the most underrated fitness hack on the planet. Okay, now let's talk about something that confuses everyone, food. We live in a world where diet culture has turned eating into a battlefield. One day carbs are evil, the next day fat is the enemy. But here's the truth, Your body doesn't need restriction, it needs nourishment. Every bite you take is information for your body. It tells your cells how to function, your brain how to think, and your heart how to beat. Food is not your enemy, it's your fuel. When I shifted my mindset from I have to eat clean to I get to feed my body what it deserves, everything changed. I stopped counting calories and started counting nutrients. More colors on your plate usually means more vitamins and antioxidants. It's like giving your body a rainbow of power. So next time you eat, look for balance, complex carbs for energy, protein for strength, healthy fats for hormones, and fiber for digestion. And please, don't fall for the guilt trap. If you eat pizza sometimes, enjoy it. Health is about consistency, not perfection. One salad won't make you healthy, and one donut won't ruin your progress. Learn to listen to your body. When you eat with awareness, slowly, mindfully, you naturally stop when you're satisfied. The goal isn't to have a smaller body, it's to have a stronger life. Let's be honest, the word exercise scares a lot of people. It sounds like punishment for eating or something you have to do. But what if you started moving because you love your body, not because you hate it? Movement is your body's way of celebrating what it can do. You don't have to lift heavy weights or run marathons to be healthy. Just move, dance, stretch, walk, swim, anything that makes you feel alive. Our bodies were designed for movement. When you sit all day, your energy gets stuck. Your posture changes, your mood dips, and even your digestion slows down. But once you start moving regularly, everything starts flowing again. Your blood, your ideas, even your confidence. Exercise releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that instantly boost your mood and fight stress. Here's a simple trick. Instead of forcing yourself to work out, find a form of movement you enjoy. That's the key to consistency. I love doing morning walks while listening to podcasts. It's like therapy on the go. You might prefer yoga, dancing, or even gardening. Remember, health isn't a destination, it's a lifestyle. Move your body not to lose weight, but to gain energy, joy, and peace. Let's talk about habits, the small things that quietly build or break your health. We often chase big transformations, but the truth is, your daily routine decides your destiny. What you repeatedly do matters more than what you occasionally do. Drinking one green juice won't change your life, but drinking water consistently will. Start small. Want to improve your health? Begin with one habit. Drink more water, sleep on time, stretch for 5 minutes a day. Once it becomes natural, add another. That's how real change happens, step by step. And remember, habits are built by repetition, not motivation. You won't always feel inspired, but if you make your actions automatic, you'll keep growing even on lazy days. Here's something I tell my viewers all the time. Your body listens to your routine more than your words. So instead of saying, I want to be healthy, show it through your habits. You don't have to do everything perfectly, just do something consistently. Over time, those tiny wins add up to big transformations. That's how you build the strongest version of yourself, one small habit at a time. Now, here's something most people don't talk about enough, gut health. Your gut isn't just about digestion, it's your body's control center for immunity, mood, and energy. In fact, scientists call it your second brain because it produces around 90% of your body's serotonin, the happiness hormone. So yeah, when your gut's unhappy, your mind feels it too. The secret to a happy gut? Balance. You want a mix of good bacteria in your digestive system. How do you feed them? Through fiber-rich foods, fermented stuff like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and whole fruits and veggies. Processed junk food and too much sugar, on the other hand, Starve your good bacteria and feed the bad ones, and that's when problems like bloating, fatigue, and mood swings start showing up. Also, don't underestimate hydration. Your gut loves water. It keeps your system clean and moving smoothly. And one more thing, try to eat mindfully. Chew slowly, don't rush, and let your body actually register what's happening. When you eat in a calm state, your digestion improves naturally. Think of your gut as your health partner. If you take care of it, it'll take care of you. Here's a truth bomb. You can eat clean, sleep well, and exercise daily. But if you're lonely, your health will still suffer. Humans are wired for connection. Studies show that meaningful relationships can boost immunity, reduce stress, and even help you live longer. That's how powerful love and friendship are. In our digital world, it's easy to have hundreds of followers but still feel disconnected. Real connection doesn't come from likes, it comes from laughter, eye contact, and honest conversations. Call your friend instead of just texting. Spend quality time with your family. Join a group, volunteer, or talk to people who lift your energy. Emotional well-being is health too. When you share your feelings, your heart literally relaxes, your breathing slows, your blood pressure drops, and your mind feels lighter. So next time you feel down, don't isolate yourself. Reach out. Sometimes, healing doesn't come from medicine, it comes from being understood. Okay, this part is my favorite, self-love. Because honestly, no health routine works if it comes from a place of hate. You can't heal a body you resent. Self-love isn't arrogance, it's respect. It's saying, I deserve to take care of myself. When you truly love yourself, you stop chasing quick fixes and start creating long-term care. Start by being kind to yourself. Talk to yourself the way you talk to your best friend. Stop criticizing every flaw, your body listens to your words. When you feed it love, it responds with strength. Take time to do what makes you happy, even small things, listening to music, journaling, or just sitting in the sun. Remember, your worth isn't defined by your size, your looks, or your productivity. You are worthy simply because you exist. When you live from that truth, your health choices come from love, not fear. And that's the real magic, when you take care of yourself because you want to, not because you have to. Alright, before we close, here's what I want you to remember. Health is not a race, it's a relationship. It's the way you show up for yourself every single day. Some days you'll feel strong and motivated, other days you'll feel tired and messy, and that's okay. Progress isn't about being perfect, it's about not giving up when it gets hard. If you focus on small, loving actions every day, drinking water, sleeping enough, moving your body, and speaking kindly to yourself, you look back in a few months and realize how far you've come. You don't need to change everything overnight, just take one step. Because every healthy life starts with one simple decision, to care. So, if today's video inspired you even a little bit, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs a little motivation, and don't forget to subscribe for more real talk on health, happiness, and self-growth. I'm Jessica, and remember, your health isn't just about living longer, it's about living better.